Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing SuperGrow AI, which is a best LinkedIn content creation and optimization tool. So if you want to get an access to it, you can head over to the link in the description to get some exclusive benefits and extended free trails. Okay, so coming onto the platform, we have a couple of features which are really awesome. So if you know that this is an age of LinkedIn and a lot of opportunities are flying over your head nowadays, so you need to grasp them, and LinkedIn is an important tool for exact this purpose. And to boost your LinkedIn, we have this platform called SuperGrow. We have post generator, we have ideas generator, we have autopilot posts, carousel maker. So carousel is basically multiple pages based information. Like for example, you can see this little icon as well, could be based on let's say 3 different images with information related to each other and all posts. So here will be the post that you are going to be creating, and we have few other options as well. So if we head over to post generator, you can click on that. Now we need to select the purpose of the content, and or if you want to simply repurpose our content, you can click on generate from a PDF. Then you need to upload a PDF file in here. We have multiple fields to provide it, and let's just head back. You can see we have generate a post from a YouTube video. So we have all of these options to repurpose content, recommended templates, where you can start with a template so you can have a head start. Similarly, we have ideas generator. If you want to get some ideas onto some posts or any SEO and anything related to that, you have this dedicated option for that. We have autopilot post, so this is going to be creating automatically your post using AI technology. So yeah guys, make sure to use SuperGrow to skyrocket your LinkedIn profile and get even more jobs, opportunities, or anything that you are looking for. So yeah, if you liked the video or learned something new, you can head over to the link in the description to access SuperGrow AI and get exclusive benefits and extended free trail. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.